Welcome to presentation tip number 52, our final presentation of 2019. Don't forget to warm up before speaking in public. Warming up your facial muscles decreases tension and can improve the quality of your speech. Stretch all the muscles of your face, opening your jaw as wide as possible. Pull your lips back into a wide smile, then into a tight pucker and out again. Relax your muscles with a gentle massage. Press your knuckles into the meat of your lower jaw, gently massaging the floor of your mouth. Bottom line, breathe and relax.